The PPQ 100W portable solar kit is an excellent solution for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a high conversion efficiency of 24% thanks to its advanced monocrystalline silicon technology. This solar kit is designed with versatility in mind, featuring 4 cables and 16 outputs to ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices and batteries. Its innovative 7-layer structure is encased in a stylish briefcase design, combining functionality with a sophisticated look, suitable for various occasions. Safety is a priority with this kit, as it meets SAE standards and holds CE, FC, and ROHS certifications, promoting a safe and environmentally friendly energy solution. The kit includes a variety of essential accessories, making it a comprehensive package that is backed by a reliable 1-year guarantee for peace of mind. Purchasing this solar panel not only supports sustainable living, but also contributes to a noble cause, as a portion of the profits aids veterans and military families.